Hi guys, today we are working on making questions. As you know, we have already learned how to make a question to ask what is it. So I want to teach you again to how to make the other questions. It is so easy because you have already learned ESCO. ESCO, as I told you, ESCO, it means do or does or it even did, even did in English, and you can make it, you can use it to make any question in French. So do you remember that we worked on this question, what is it? And you say what it is que, and que it is what. To make a question, you simply add ESCO. And after ESCO, always you need a noun or pronoun. So if I want to use ce, it means it, this one. And after noun or pronoun that you use, you need always a verb. And my verb is here, être. You know how to conjugate le verb être. It is je suis, tu es, il est, elle est. And for so is the same thing that you have for il and elle. You say ce est. And you know that we don't accept any two vowels together. So I start from here and I cancel this one and put an apostrophe here. And here I cancel this one and I say, I put another apostrophe here. It's qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? So I want to use the same rules to make another question. So if I want to say, what do you do? What do you do? So the only things that you need to do that, you need to find the question word, it is what. You know that what it is que. That's perfect. And after that, I want to use do. I told you it is do or does or even did. It is ESCO. So you say ESCO, you add ESCO here. That's perfect. And after ESCO, what do you have here? You have you. So I say you here, it is tu. And to do in French, it is fait. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? And you know we don't accept two vowels, so I cancel this one. It is qu'est-ce que tu fais? What do you do? Okay. And for the other questions, if you want to say where do you go? Where do you go? The only things that you need to do is to find the question for where. It is où. It is où. And do, it is ESCO. As you see, just I add ESCO for any question. And after ESCO, just remember that you need a noun or pronoun. Do you have you here? You say tu. And go, it is tu vas. Où est-ce que tu vas? Où est-ce que tu vas? So I want to go for the other questions. Maybe it is so easy. So you say, when does he start? When does he start? So that again, the only things that you need to know, first of all, you need to find the question word for when. When, it means quand. It means quand. And does, again, same thing that you have here, ESCO. So just remember that you need to use ESCO to make any question. The first step is always to find your question word. And after that, you need to add ESCO. ESCO. And after ESCO, I need a noun or pronoun. What you have here, it is he. So in French, it is il. And start, it is to start, it means commencer. It's ER verb, and you know how to conjugate ER verb. So I conjugate commencer for il, which means commence, and again, as we don't accept two vowels together, so I cancel this one and I say quand est-ce qu'il commence? When does he start? And this is just the only things I want to make it here. So the only things is really important. This is the question word here. So I put here question word that you need to learn. And again, and the other things that is really important to understand is that to make a question, you need always a scope. It is one of the version of making question in French, but I think that it is the easiest one to learn to make a question for now. And for the other question word, you can use the same instruction that I have here. So I want to say what do they like? What do they like? So again, I make some distance here, some room here. That's perfect. And what it means que, okay? So I write right here. And do, it is esco. Esco. So I need to put here esco, and they. So you know that they, it depends on the gender that the person are included. If they are boys and girls, so you use il here with s, and like, to like, it is aimer. So you need to conjugate aimer. It is er verb, so easy. Just the only things that you need to write m, and you add the endings, and the endings for the m for il, it is ent. So if I want to make it here, so it is, so you need to pay attention that we don't accept two vowels. So I cancel this one. So I want to say qu'est-ce qu'il aime? Qu'est-ce qu'il aime? What do they like? So if I want to specify this one, you have this one, what? And you have do like esque, and you have il here as they, and like, it is m. It is the rule for every single question that you can use it. So the only things that I want you to remember is that this is the steps that you need to follow to make a question. First of all, you need to find your question word. Question word, it's like où, quand, it's a what, quand, que, and etc. etc. And I will explain you different question word. And the second step is to add simply esco for any question. And after that, the third step is you need to add noun, or pronoun. And after that, you add the conjugated verb. You have already know how to conjugate er verb, and as I told you, most of the verbs, it's 60% of the verbs is ending with er, so you can use different verb to make a question. And you have already learned être as well, so you can use être to make a question. this is the only things that I want to add here. It is that just the only you need to remember different question words. It is the same thing. So you have who. You have who. It is qui. And you have what. It is que. And where. Where it is où. And when it is quand. You have why, it means pourquoi. Pourquoi. And that's all for today. I want you just to follow this question, to make these rules to make questions. Thank you.